re-record this because the music was just too damn loud in the last video. So, those of you who saw it, congratulations. Those of you who didn't, here we are. We're going to start with Bitcoin analysis. Now, there is a flag that has formed, and it's not a bull flag. It's not a bear flag. It is
the China.
We have a Chinese flag, and it is waving, saying, "Hello, about to China. We're about to ching chong down." Let's extend ourselves here for a moment. Let's get rid of this. We can keep it there. So we've been in this wedge for quite some time now. And as we stretch the wedge, we see that the time is coming. The end of the trend is near. Let's get rid of this. Now, if we don't burst out and break through here, it is to my understanding that we go down. Right? Wow, look how far we've come. This started all the way back in February. We called it with the successful double scrotum. I believe this was showing on the 4-hour. Look at that. Boom, right here. This was the beginning. And then all our lines, all our predictions came true to the T. When we drew the vein that was here, you could see the little, it's a family show, so I don't want to say too much. But we called it. We said it would come out here and it was going to regurgitate. When it dumped, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the story that have been around here. When we said it was going to get high, it got high. China, it China'd. We nailed some long prophecies and predictions. We missed some. Not many. Which brings us to here. It's time that the Chinese are here. The China is back. Now, there is another indicator about China. All indicators are pointing China. And that indicator is when all the coins are doing the same thing. When the market from shit coins to Bitcoin are doing the same, are going up and down at the same time, we're in Chinese territory. That means it's their world. We're just living in it. And because of that, what do we know China likes to do? Bearish. They like to push the button. Push the button. The China. The China. China likes to buy things cheap. And look, it's dumping as we speak. We were looking for potential rectangle confirmation. That's busted. We entered a short here. If you're in the Discord, we wrote it. We sold at a safe 68.50. We entered another short right here, or right here actually, I don't remember where, but we flop and groped out here. At first I lightened the trade, then exited it, so we are still in profit for the day. Just goes to show Now we're gonna see what happens next. I wanted to draw this rectangle because we were looking for another confirmation. That confirmation has failed, and it looks like we are testing the channel right now. So we're gonna see what happens after this. See if we break through this or if we ride and chill, wait for new lines. You know, right now, boom, oh shit, look at that. Looks like we're bearish right now. We'll see what happens when we get here. But you know what? I'm not forcing, don't force yourself into a trade. That's what my brother says on his video yesterday. And he couldn't have been, you know, more right. You must be forced into a trade because everything aligns up. Don't force a trade. So for all of you who are like, up or down, well, long or short, wait until you know for a fact what's going to happen. Like, boom, okay, this needs to happen. So I'll tell you what. So let's pretend if we bounced off of here, then what I was going to do is long, and we were going to measure this, right? Measure this line, and we would have exited up here, 69, so in the low teens, 69.15, 69.14. That's broken, so it won't happen, but that's what we were looking for, right? We were going an uptrend into the rectangle, bounced around, then we would have bounced out, and I would have put my sell point at around the same length as this. So up here. So that didn't happen, but you just know that something you could look for. Lord have mercy. What else? As far as our affiliates, the affiliates update, we are at like 250. I want to say thank you to everyone that has been personally messaging me. People are entering sports picks. Couple people have tipped, not much, but a lot of you have written some really nice thank you messages, and that's always good to hear. You know, I have a lot of haters right now, and I'm getting them from all different angles. You guys know me. You know, I do my own thing, and I'm friendly and honest with everyone. If someone tells me to keep a secret, I keep it. And if someone shares information with me that they want me to share with someone else, I'll share it. We're forging alliances, forging shit, making plans, executing them. Sometimes things don't happen as fast as you want. Some things go backwards. But at the end of the day, I am thankful and appreciative of my community. I've been taking, I went to bed. I took like a 10-hour nap today. I don't even know what day it is. You know, watch the videos. Like, people ask questions. If you go to the Discord, if you're new to Butmex, click Butmex videos. Here's a bunch of videos I did on Butmex. You guys are asking questions. Like, don't ask a question when the answer's probably already out there. Like, you guys got to put some effort in. I remember with my bot trading days, people would ask me, like, can you put your settings on, what's that one website? Open file or open. So people just wanted me to put my settings out there so they could literally just copy it and paste it and be done. And they'd have no idea what's going on. So I used to make people, I said, no, you can pause my video. Here's my settings. You could type it in yourself, because I have spent hours, days researching and learning this stuff and applying it. And like, I'm putting it out there so you don't have to. So you go for, instead of you having to dedicate 20 hours, you have to dedicate 15 minutes, and you still don't want to even do that. Shame on you people. Shame on you who want that. So try to find your answers. And like, sorry if I don't answer all your guys' questions. When you guys ask me a question, I answer. There's another one. You fire another one, another one, another one. It doesn't stop. Be cool in the Discord. We are 12-4 on sports picks. I imagine we should have a pick coming in today. 12-4. In fact, let's count together, shall we? Okay, so our first one. So this was when we started. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I guess we're 11-4. We could call it 12 because we hit a parlay, but we'll say 11-4. That's fair. We've turned $500 into $3,500. I withdrew $1,500 out of this account. So we started with 500. This turned into 3,500 up here. I took out 1,500, and we got 2 more weeks to go. Now, today, I'm supposed to have a meeting with my guy, and I guarantee you he's going to be asking me for more money and saying, all right, 2 weeks is coming to an end, and they're going to want to set me up with more picks. They're going to ask me to pay another good few grand at least. So, if you want to get in on these picks, it's $150 for the next 2 weeks. I bet the same amount every game. As long as you bet the same amount every game, you will come out positive. Currently, we have 7x our money in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, we've turned 500 into 3,500, and you can too. And this is the best time to get in. We have 2 weeks left of the best time to be betting in sports in preseason football. And we're heading into week 1 of football, and we're going to be betting probably all season long. So it's $150. Get in now and build your bankroll, because in 2 weeks, when it's time for regular season, the price of these picks is probably going to go up, because I'm going to have to pay more, and so will you. Now, as far as and still people are like, well, how do I bet? Where do I go? Guess what, folks? I've done videos on all this stuff. How to bet. Go on my YouTube channel, search CryptoFace. Click on videos and, search shit. Look, there's NFL betting stuff. I probably saved some useful information. Look at all these BitMEX. Look at all the BitMEX things. Look at all the information here. Look at that horse. Look, Elliott wave theory. There's the Elliott wave shit here. BitMEX how-to for beginners. Look at that. CryptoFace versus the Oracle. Look at that. If you just search CryptoFace sports picks or sports betting, look, sport picks for everyone today. I show people how to do shit, so just look, folks, look. Wow, look at these videos. 3 months ago. What's this? Well, it's official, folks. We have angry, stalking, flopping gropers. Wow, look, see, we had we had people shit hitting the fan. All kinds of people. Cool. 9 out of 12. It's pretty damn good money. It's better than Profit Trailer. I am not Profit Trailer face. Profit Trailer wasn't the first. I can say it. Better than you. Nothing. Nothing. So you're the one who... Anyways. So right now, BitMEX positions are still closed. Will I open them up to the whole public soon? Probably. If you're going to make a comment on something, make sure you know what the hell you're talking about. I've had 3 people make a comment like, oh, you've made 8 Bitcoin from BitMEX. You're an asshole. What's wrong? I'm like, listen, dumbass. That's what I get a percentage off of. I've made like 1.2, 1.3, which 1 whole Bitcoin of my own, or more has gone into the donation pool. Shit. So I'm wetting my beak. You can send a tip. But I am understanding that in this day and age, if you want to, you know, grow, then you want to be like Joe Rogan. You want to put your stuff out there for free. You know, if you look at the way that companies make money these days is free. Facebook, free. Netflix, not free, but close. Fortnite, free. Then they just take your data and information and monetize the shit out of you. So, anyways, back on subject. China. The trend is your friend. We called 7,200 as the top a long time ago, folks. And looks like it's here. We said we were going to be shorting heavy. Vicky, wherever my girl Vicky is, Vicky can attest. We were talking about shorting 7,200 for how long now? 7,100, 7,200 for a long time. So, Jimbo's back. I think this is probably the highest we're going to see Bitcoin for a long time, unless we have a little double peak up here. Other than that, I'll see you guys at Bitcoin for 4,000.